We do an axle replace both sides. I had to pick up some new tools. Keep the breaker bar though. I think got an extension on it. Couple of tools. Just took that old axle out of there. New one right here. So I can see the old one. The boot was busted. But gotta clean the area out. I just wide wheeled it real quick so that new one go in smooth. The new hub is installed. That's it. Passenger side already go into operation, you feel me? As y'all can see, she's blowed. Get right. Yeah. Longer one. Passenger side. Yes, sir. That's it. You see it. That's it. Passenger side one coming out. Just pulled the passenger side right, put a new one in her. Oh. Passenger side done. It's in there. New one is in there, passenger side. Y'all see it, no more clacking, baby. Thing running brand new. I did that work, you hear me?